Hello everyone, today we will see the recipe of making very tasty shrimp 65 or prawn 65 biryani in instant pot. To make this biryani I have taken two types of shrimp. These are fresh wild caught prawns. The other one is frozen cooked prawns. These are small in size. You can even replace it with fresh small prawns. As bigger prawns are wild caught and fresh, we need to clean them by deveining it. I already deveined it and cleaned them well. I am going to marinate them now. I am adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder and required salt just needed for these prawns. These are 500 grams of prawn or around 1 lb, and I am adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and ginger garlic paste. Let's give a good mix of everything and our marinated prawn will be ready. Same way I am going to marinate these smaller prawns also. Turmeric powder, salt required, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, and here I am adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala. I am marinating these two types of shrimp separately because I am going to use them separately. Keep them covered with lid for 20 to 30 minutes. Switch on the instant pot in saute mode and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the whole garam masala. I am going to add 1 bay leaf, 2 cinnamon, 1 star anise, 8 cloves and 4 cardamom. Today I am going to make 4 cups of biryani, so you can adjust the spices as per the rice quantity you are going to make. I am adding 2 green chilies and 2 medium sized onions. Saute the onions in hot oil until they turn transparent. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Once you add the ginger garlic paste, it will stick to the bottom of the instant pot, so mix it well. I am adding 2 medium sized tomatoes and going to mix it well along with the onion and ginger garlic paste, and I am adding handful of coriander leaves chopped, a handful of finely chopped mint leaves. Combine and mix them well until they come together as a whole mass. This will form the base of our biryani. If you feel like your gravy is getting stick to the bottom of the instant pot, deglaze it with quarter cup of water anytime. I am adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt required only for the rice. Remember, we already added salt for the prawns while marinating, and I am adding 4 teaspoons of red chili powder, and I am adding 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder. You can even use biryani masala here. Mix it well along with the onion, tomato, coriander mixture and scrap the bottom well then and there so that the food will not get burnt at the bottom. This step is called deglazing an instant pot. Add quarter cup of water if you feel like your gravy is sticking to the bottom. Let it get cooked until the oil separates out from the gravy. Now I am going to add our fresh big sized prawns here. If you are making vegetable biryani or chicken or mutton biryani, you need to add the chicken or mutton before you add the spice powders. Only in case of prawns, if you add it earlier, it will turn hard and rubbery. So adding prawns at last is one tip. Now I am adding half cup of curd. I am going to mix it well along with the prawn mixture. This is the base of our biryani, so it is ready. Let's start adding our rice. I have measured rice in this cup. I have measured 4 cups of rice. So 4 cups of rice, I am adding 6 cups of water. So for 1 cup of rice, add 1.5 cups of water. Now I am adding half tablespoon of lemon juice. I washed the rice thrice and soaked it in water for 30 minutes. Strain the water and add the basmati rice into our biryani. Let's close the instant pot lid and make sure the pressure vent is pushed down. Now cancel the saute mode and switch on the pressure cook mode and set timer to 6 minutes on high pressure. Now heat a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. We are going to shallow fry our small prawns. Use a wide pan so that the shrimp will get cooked evenly on all sides. Do not cook more than 1 minute on both sides. Just flip them on the other side, and as these are small prawns, this will get cooked immediately. So do not cook this more than 1 minute. If you deep fry these prawns, it will turn very crispy. We want our shrimp to be very soft. So cook them like this by shallow frying it. Our shrimp 65 or prawn 65 is now ready. Cook the remaining prawns also in the same way. After 6 minutes, do quick pressure release. Our shrimp biryani is now ready. If you like this video, hit a like button and please subscribe to my channel for more Instant Pot, air fryer, baking and traditional recipes. Let's add the shrimp 65 or prawn 65 interward biryani. Now close the Instant Pot with normal lid for 5 minutes so that the shrimp 65 or prawn 65 flavor will get incorporated into the biryani well. Now after 5 minutes, our flavorful shrimp 65 or prawn 65 biryani is now ready to serve. Do try this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel Instant Pot and Favorites for more videos like this. Thank you.